Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this short tutorial, we're going to be covering how you can request or add TOIL for your employees right from the Vacation Tracker dashboard. It's important to note that if you haven't already set up and enabled a time off in your policy for one of your leave types, you won't be able to follow along. So do be sure to have that set up before proceeding. Once you've logged into your Vacation Tracker account, you're going to head on over to the left-hand menu to the Request Leave button. If you hover on it, you'll see that there's a drop-down menu that appears and you can click on Request TOIL. Now, depending on your settings for your policy, either only admins and approvers can request TOIL or any user within your company can do so. Regardless of the permissions you allow, the page will look the same for either party. Once you're here for your request, you're going to select a user if you're an admin or approver, or if you're just a user, you're going to select your leave type and you're going to follow along the instructions laid out. If you've worked a few extra hours of overtime only, you can check hourly TOIL to select the range, or if you've worked a full day, you can just choose the date itself. You'll notice that the reason is also pre-populated, but as a user, if you'd like to add additional context for your approving manager, this will be the spot to enter said information. Then you just got to click on Add TOIL if you're an admin or approver, or Request TOIL, and the request will be fired away. If you're adding TOIL, the user's balance will be automatically updated. But if you're requesting it, then the employee will have to wait until the approver approves the request before the balance is reflected. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about time off in Lieu, you can read more about it in our Help Desk Center. And if you run into any problems when requesting or adding TOIL, you can always reach out to our support team via chat or by sending an email.